机场遭无人机干扰的话题。前天，成都双流机场再次发生了无人机黑飞事件。
总统府青瓦台上空拍下，而且韩国的军事基地也被锁定。
Anti-UAV Defense System consists of Detection Unit, EO Tracking Unit, and Countermeasure Jamming Unit. System integrates auto-detection, situation display, command and control, and jamming functions in one package, building up Observe to Wipe Integration Protection System. RF Scanner Detection Unit is working to detect and recognize UAV's remote control signal and picture transmission signal, thereby realize the early warning by target direction finding. All these 360-degree all-direction detection and accurate direction finding makes it outstanding from the others. Low-altitude surveillance radar is two-dimensional phased array radar, more than the advantage of fast scan and recognition. It also has an excellent performance with anti-interference and clutter rejection. Integrated PTZ Jammer integrates camera unit and jammer unit, combining 2D PTZ turntable to achieve all-direction jamming dispose and photoelectric visualization tracking. Based on the EMAP, intelligentialized monitoring platform is able to realize target early morning, real-time situation display, target classification, multi-target switchable control, event log, etc. Nova Sky AUDS is able to recognize most of commercial use drones on the market. When the UAV intrudes production area, system detection unit will recognize target and warn immediately, and then that photoelectric equipment will lock and track the target. Meanwhile, target real-time motion will be displayed on the monitoring platform. Jammer unit automatically turns toward the intrusion target and transmits electromagnetic signal to suppress and neutralize UAVs. First landing or return to origin. This is a system with high integration, fast detection, and effectively countermeasure ability, and attended operation intelligent management platform, automatically control system interaction, all weather, all time, all round control to ensure the safety of production area. System structure is compatible with the existing monitoring platform, realized comprehensive situation display, and unified dispatch and command. Nova Sky AUDS can be widely used in military camp, prison, airport, oil depot, chemical industry, military, and private villa by fixed installation. It is also used aloud for temporary prevention and control mission in important conference, political leaders trade, event and sports matches, etc. We are honored to provide a complete solution for the low, small, slow target intrusion and looking forward to building a safe world together with our sincere